Welcome to our DevOps Masterclass. We offer a complete suite of courses that enables you to become an excellent DevOps engineer. The DevOps Masterclass is offered through live virtual classes and covers DevOps tools, Python scripting, Shell Bash scripting, Linux fundamentals, and AWS DevOps services. The DevOps tools covered include Git, Jenkins, Maven, SonarQube, Selenium, Docker, Puppet, Ansible, Kubernetes, Nagios, etc. It provides hands-on practice, one-on-one follow-up and live projects that give you years of working knowledge. Other live classes include Python Programming Live Class and Cryptocurrency Trading Live Class. Join a live class today.